Hello everyone, welcome back. If your Facebook profile is locked, don't worry. You can follow this method easily unlock them. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the Facebook app. After the Facebook app is open, look at the top left corner. Here you can find your profile icon. Click on them to open the profile page. Right now you will lock your profile. This means your profile is currently locked. To unlock them, simply tap on the three dots more icon at the top right corner. After that, scroll down a little, locate the unlock profile button. Tap on it, then simply tap on the unlock button again. Then confirm by tapping unlock your profile option at the very bottom once more time and wait to complete the process. And that's it. You unlock your profile. You are done. Thanks for watching. Hope this guide will help you. Like this video, share it with your friend. Subscribing to my channel. You can find every single tech video my channel.